Some sunshine, huh?
Yeah, a little sunshine would go a long way to make everyone feel a lot better about the forecast. Of course, that would get the temperatures really going. Right now, 24-hour temperature cast wants to keep those numbers down. Maybe not going to stay this far down. We'll need more showers in more spots if we're going to keep the numbers in the low 80s. I think we're looking at lots of middle and upper 80s later. But the radar picture's been real active for the past couple of days. Now, I know not everybody's been getting wet. There have been spots that haven't seen a single drop over the past 2 or 3 days. But there are other areas, especially to the east and to the southeast, that have been getting rain day in, day out. And that's where we have the flooding concern still for parts of Taylor County and Lafayette County and Dixie County. Right now, most of the activity is along the I-75 corridor and coming in from the south and west to the north and east through the Suwannee River Valley, across the I-75 corridor, and farther up into parts of southeastern Georgia. We're still set up with the same overall weather pattern. Lots of warm, lots of muggy, lots of unstable. And with that old boundary draped across our part of the southeast, it's going to be a conveyor belt for more showers. 76 right now at the Tallahassee Airport, 73 in Thomasville. Some rain falling down around Valdosta where it's 74. And this morning, more numbers up closer to 75 instead of back down near 71 or 72 like they were yesterday. Moultrie and Tifton are at 72 this morning, but Quincy and Bainbridge are at 75. So is Apalachicola, and Cross City, the warm spot right now, at 77. Across the southeast, it's the same setup with that boundary just stretched out across the Gulf Coast and up the Atlantic coast. And as pieces of energy ride along that boundary, that's where the waves of showers come from, along that stuck boundary. I think that boundary stays stuck for at least one more day and then starts to move and fizzle out. And by the weekend, once it goes away, maybe we can start to change up this pattern at least a little bit. For today, for tomorrow, not a lot is going to change, and that means still unsettled, where it's going to look and feel like it should be raining more than it actually does. Best chances for the most rain to the south, to the east, and to the south and east. But I think as we go through the next couple of afternoons, there should be a few more showers scattered into a few more areas, and all the clouds and the showers nearby should do their part to keep those daytime highs down at least a little bit more before everything starts to perk up heading into the upcoming weekend. On the Gulf, winds start north, end up onshore this afternoon from the southwest, 8 to 16, seas maybe like 2 to 4 feet. We've got the low tides underway now. They'll finish up after 8 o'clock this morning. It's warm, it's muggy out there. Temperatures in the 70s. The rain chances are going to climb up to about 60%, highest east and south, lowest north and west. Top temperatures likely are going to find the middle and upper 80s in most spots. Wouldn't surprise me if a few areas gave 90 a run. Tonight, the clouds and the muggy continue. Overnight temperatures stay in the 70s. And I think tomorrow is going to be very similar to today. As we head into the weekend, it's going to try to dry out a little bit. It may take all the way till Sunday for that to happen. Of course, when it does happen, it's going to get hotter. We'll see those temperatures start to climb back up into the 90s, maybe into the lower and middle 90s.